Hey, so here's how you create a scraper for getting data from the Web Summit speakers list. So for that reason, I'll start building a playbook. And yeah, as first action, I'm gonna pick scraper, scraping data on the active tab. And here, yeah, I'll pick create new scraper template because I don't have a ready template for that. And yeah, basically picking the tab I would like to build a template on. Yeah, picking a list scraper because we have a list of participants. We're not scraping just a single row of data. So let's call the automation demo. Start building. So first I'm picking an item inside of first and second containers. So here we go. And on this tab, I'll need to specify the pagination button. So basically the automation will click on the follow-up page pagination. One thing to note that you don't want to click the page right after, but rather the next button basically to keep paginating until the end. So yeah, I'm picking this item here and yeah, let's go with the name, position. We can try getting the image. Let's see. Nice. And yeah, I think this is ready. Save data. And here you can either pick like how many pages you would like to paginate or how many, yeah, either the pages, amount of the pages you would like to paginate or amount of result you would like to produce. Let's go with pages. So I'll provide a limit. So each time you run the automation, you can specify how many pages you would like to get data from. And yeah, get data from Web Summit speakers. Yeah. Here we're naming the playbook. And if I try running it, okay. I was expecting to, oh, sorry. Apparently I forgot to click done button here because it was under the fold. Yeah. So yeah. Now if I try running this again, specify a limit. Let's say, yeah, on which page are we? On page 3. So specifying 3-page limit. Click on run button. It should paginate 3 pages. Similarly, we should be on the 6th page. Yeah, this sounds about right. And yeah, can verify the amount of the result. Yeah, those result amount also seem to be accurate. And yeah, after getting the result, we would like to move them somewhere else. So what I'll do now, I'll add another action for moving the data to the Google spreadsheet. So we have this add row to the Google Sheet command, and here, yeah, I'll pick ask me every time. Done. And yeah, I'm clicking here use command because I would like to reference the whole command from here. So basically what I'm saying here, I would like to get data from the first command into the spreadsheet. So yeah, here we go. So this automation is ready. Let's go to the first page. Nice. And oh, and now let's try running the automation. Let's again limit 3 pages. I think I have one. Yeah, here we go. I'll use this spreadsheet that I have already in my Drive account. And now, yeah, I can also download the result as a CSV file, but clicking on the view, yeah, I'll be navigated to the spreadsheet with all the data pre-filled. So yeah, here we go. Let me remove all this. And yeah, if I would like to get all the data, I can get how many pages are there? 27. Yeah, let's say I don't know how many pages are there. I can specify some random amount, let's say 100 pages. This in the end should work as expected, meaning it should paginate until 27th page, get all the data, and move that data to the spreadsheet. You might want to fast forward while the scraper is working in the background. Yeah, here we go. And we have the list of all participants copied to the spreadsheet. So yeah, that was it.